All right, yeah, I know. It's been a hot minute since I've actually done anything with the truck. It's, you know, off screen, mostly buttoned back up. I've got a few more thingy-doos to put back on there. Gonna try and put some fluids in there. Hopefully it stays in the engine this time. And then maybe we'll turn a key. Yep, went full dumb all over again and decided I'm gonna button it all the way back up before fluid testing it. So I really hope I did an okay job. Round 2. Filling this thing with fluids. So I'm just going to keep rolling and we're just going to listen and see if shit's fucked. So we're starting with oil. I think I'm just being paranoid. Quart 2. Quart 2 done. Quart 3. Quart 3 is done. Final quart. Finished. Perfect. God, I don't want to do this. Okay, here we go. Pop the rad cap off. With any luck, it's not going to start pissing all over the place. Just going to do a slight prayer to the auto gods. Okay. I don't hear anything. Let's check under the truck. Is there any drippy drips? Not that I can see. All right, gallon 1 is done. Gallon 2. Stop skeeting on my car! Truck, whatever. Just filling my truck with Mountain Dew. Let that sit for a second, and now I can introduce the battery into the shithole that is my engine bay. You stop. Nobody wants to hear that, sir. Why you do this? Oh boy. Nope. Anywhere ever again. Christopher, what are you doing? Why, I am coating these washers in dielectric. Why? Something corrosion control. Anybody want to see it? It's stupid. Now for our way too big little guys, they're good for the time being. Oh, come on, come on. There we go, get in the hole. That's what I paid you for, get in the hole. Oh, damn it. Well, that's a bit of an issue. Batteries in, we did some advanced no-no engineering, which means I bought bolts that were too long for these terminals, and so I had to use some, let's call them spacers. I'll show you the stupidity that is me. Yeah, that's a temporary thing. We're not going like that forever. So yeah, I'm an idiot. All right, open this garage door and let's see what happens. I don't know what's gonna fucking happen. I'm really fucking nervous about this. Oh, that's probably not good. I'll tell you, that's really not good. Oh, that's hot. I'm not entirely sure why that's doing that. Huh. Whoops. Oh, and I did run to the hardware store and get the proper fitting bolts. So let's hook it up and see what happens. Hopefully I don't like explode or something. That would suck. The better question is, did I wreck the battery in doing this bullshit? Oh, look at that. Look at that. What a lad. Top lad. Alright, don't pop at me, please. Like that. Oh my god. Okay, so that's not good. Negative terminal just fucking blew itself apart. So like, yeah, there's definitely a quirk with the electrical system at the moment. That's good. Guess I gotta go hunting and see what, something's fucked somewhere. Well, I think we found our culprit. That would be the starter and the terminal. I believe the negative terminal is touching the engine block. Actually, I don't know if that's the positive terminal. Whatever. The terminal is the part, the metal bit, touching the engine block. It's causing a short. So I think that's probably where our issue resides. Pull their harness thing back in place and try and turn a key. Let's not touch the terminals with this. That would not be fun. Well, fun for you. Well, thanks to the power of an OBD2 scanner, I found out that this guy is the culprit. This is a crankshaft position sensor, and apparently it don't work. So we're going to need to buy a new one. Fun. Hey, look, I got a new one of them thingies. We're going to plug it in and see what happens, because I feel like garbage. Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm so hopeful for this thing. I've actually put coolant in the holder thing so we can bleed the system. So let's give her a rip. The fuck they do with the keys? Oh, there they are. Okay. Take fucking 6,000 in my hand. Let's try it. Here we go. Interesting. Oh, I thought that was going to be a winner, guys. I thought that was it. I thought that was nail in the coffin. The search continues.